All right, doing a little renovation project for a return customer. He needed an egress window put in, among other things. Putting a drain in also. Got Andrew up there going at it. Let's see here. All right, so installing I-beams as well. Still got more to put in. We've got to push this wall, cinder block wall, about 40 foot. They've previously put in some I-beams, and I don't know who did it, but that is not obviously how you install an I-beam. But this will be a bedroom added on. They have a lot of work. They just got all the trash and everything out of this house. It was pretty destroyed, but it'll be a nice place when he gets it done. And be safe too. We've been busy. We're gonna knock that down too while we got the excavator here. We've been busy trying to keep up with all the work lately. A lot of foundation problems that have needed repairs, and we've been going at it non-stop. Should be out of here in another day, hopefully. Be a 3-day project. I'll take you around and show you. Just figure where we've fell down there. As you can see, it needs a ton of work. They got their hands full, but full excavation across the front of this house. That will be the wall that needs pushed. We'll get it all the way back to a good plumb wall, solid. If it won't push, we will replace it. Cinder block's kind of tricky to push, so we'll see how it turns out. And hopefully we'll bring you along with us. If you need any foundation or excavation work done, if you have leaky basements, anything, you get a hold of us. KC Foundation Repair and Excavation right there. 816-724-6823. Give us a call. We'll get you fixed up.